Are you a 9 to 5er or a busy professional whose career is being threatened by AI? Or maybe you're just simply looking to add a second income stream from home? Are you a business owner who's realizing that competition is getting way ahead, and in order for you to catch up, you have to leverage AI? Are you a marketer who is realizing that your phone is not ringing up as much as it once did and you need to leverage AI? Well, if you answered yes to any of those questions, then I would like to show you how becoming a certified AI business strategist can actually help you land your first paying client in the next 30 days, even if you don't have any experience in running a business or have sold anything before, or you know anything about AI, nor do you consider yourself techie. Today we will show you why now is the right time to leverage AI and make money from it, how to build AI agents and automations in minutes, how to find businesses willing to pay you between $500 to $2,000 each. Now, over the last 6 years that we've been in business, we have helped thousands of people across 47 different countries make their first $1,000, $5,000, $10,000, $100,000, and even $1 million. So you are in the right place if you are a 9 to 5er who wants to add a second income stream or fully transition out of your current career. You're a marketer who's realizing that because of AI, the services you once used to charge thousands of dollars for are no longer available, or you are a business owner who wants to implement AI to grow and scale your business efficiently without getting left behind. Now, to understand how we got here, we have to understand where we started. You see, my entrepreneurial journey started about 10 years ago when I used to operate and own a restaurant. That restaurant in 2015 caught on fire, and I had no insurance to cover the damages. I was $150,000 in debt after my landlord kicked me out, and I went online to try to find a way for me to live a better life. And that's when I discovered selling on Amazon. Since then, I was able, within the following 3 years, retire my parents, marry the love of my life, and clear my $150,000 in debt. And that's when people started asking me what I was doing. And I came across this 22-year-old kid from North Carolina who all he wanted to do was quit his FedEx job where he was working about 12 to 14 hours a day so that way he can drive and ride his dirt bike and get into tournaments. But he was kind of stuck in this hamster wheel. I helped him launch his online business, and he was able to generate about $100,000 per month leveraging my skills and leveraging the things that I taught him. And since then, we've been able to scale BJK University, which is an organization with a mission to impact 1 million lives by 2030 through empowering families with skills they can turn into income. And we've helped over 20,000 people across 47 different countries. That said, from the very start, since my very first video went online on October 17, 2017, I made it very clear that my goal was to provide people many different skills they can leverage to make money with them online. And when I started looking around at what is the next skill that I should be teaching people how to leverage in 2025, it was always AI, because it is one of the largest and fastest growing skills that one can leverage to make money. And in fact, AI could add about $4.4 trillion in annual global economy. Not to mention, 65% of organizations now regularly use AI, and survey shows that 91% of small businesses say that AI boosts revenue. However, I am not an AI expert, which is why I partnered up with Stephen Helgart. And who is Stephen, you might be asking? Well, he has built and sold 3 7-figure businesses. He is previously the top speaker and trainer for Tony Robbins, and he's the founder of Scale and Success, which is an AI automation agency helping entrepreneurs implement systems. However, I am going to let Stephen come and introduce himself and teach you guys the 3 secrets that will help you grow with AI in 2025 and make money from it.
Hey, thanks, Bashar. Super excited to be with you guys here today. And let me tell you, there are 3 secrets that you need to know in order to become a successful AI business strategist, even if you've never done this before, even if you're just getting started. Here's number 1. A lot of people are worried. Did I miss the opportunity? Did I miss the gold rush? You're not late. I got to tell you, you're just in time, because listen, in the US alone, there are 35 million small businesses who are looking for help with artificial intelligence and automations to help them be more profitable, to save time, to save headaches, and to help run their business more effectively. And it's been reported now that 8 out of 10 small business owners know that they need AI to stay competitive, but most of them are admitting they don't even know where to start. AI in small businesses has exploded. But for the vast majority of them, that's things like ChatGPT or Claude or Grok. The wave is just getting started because what we're talking about here are the biggest reasons small business owners aren't using AI. It's not because of cost. It's because they don't know how or what to do. They need someone like you to guide them. Because listen, small businesses create nearly half of all of the jobs, all of the economy, everything that's happening here in the US, and 56 million people are employed by small businesses. If you help them, it helps everyone. But here's the interesting thing. Only 1% of companies, from Fortune 500s down to local mom and pop shops, truly think they have AI figured out. That means 99% of businesses are still trying to catch up. The opportunity for you and I to help these people is wide open. But here's the secret. The winners in this business aren't going to be the ones who are the first people to play with AI, whether it's video or images or silly things, whatever it is. It's going to be the ones who figure out how to use it for real business results. That's what this whole thing is about. Because here's the thing. Some people think I've got to be a tech wizard. I've got to be a programmer. I have to be a software developer. The nice thing about artificial intelligence, AI, or automations is you don't have to be techie. Because most people think AI is just ChatGPT and Claude and Midjourney and Gemini and Grok. But let me introduce you to a few programs that you may or may not have heard of. There's a program called Make, N8N, and Zapier. 3 different programs that help you connect tools and automate workflows inside of small businesses. And these are the ones that actually connect to the software that businesses already use, whether it's Slack or Gmail or Outlook or Google Sheets or Go High Level or ClickFunnels or HubSpot or anything along those lines. The truth is AI automations can be just clicked, dragged, and dropped into a simple workflow. And now all of a sudden you've delivered something extremely valuable. And the best part is you don't even have to do this from scratch. If you look at the Make website, there are over 7,000 templates ready to go that you can install and put into someone's business and charge for it. There are over 5,800, almost 6,000 templates on N8N. There's over 10,000 templates on Zapier. All of these are really simple, easy to be installed programs for lead generation and follow-up and email replies and appointment scheduling and CRM updates, even customer support. So the truth is, small businesses aren't paying for fancy, flashy robots and the Jetsons cleaning your house and picking up your groceries and stuff like that. What they pay for are simple fixes that save time, stop mistakes, and make them money. That's what we're offering here today. Think about this. An automated email reply to a new lead is usually worth a lot more than some fancy chatbot. Updating a Google Sheet for someone automatically instead of having someone go in and do it manually can save hundreds of hours per year and thus lots and lots of money. So listen, no, you don't have to be a tech genius. These basic drag and drop automations, this is where the gold mine is. Now, here's secret number 3. Clients are already begging for help because I think a lot of people are worried. Okay, this sounds good. It sounds pretty easy. I think I can do this, but I don't know where to get clients. I don't know where to get leads. I don't know. But listen, there are millions of businesses who are already begging for help because most beginners think, I need a profile. I need a portfolio. I need someone to, why would they hire me if I was brand new? Look, they're already there. If they're asking for people on Upwork, the latest statistic was that there's a new AI or automation job posting on Upwork every 2 minutes. That's wild, right? If you think about this on Fiverr, there are hundreds and hundreds of gigs that are out there for people. Now, you might think, oh, that's too little money or it's too this. What we're interested in getting our clients is to help them with one small thing we can do for them and help them build from there. They become a client instead of just a one-time customer. That's how you build this small business for ourselves. And the truth is, most small businesses don't have in-house AI teams. They don't have software developers and AI experts and all of these things to help them build this. So they're actually posting here on Upwork or Fiverr or anywhere else because they don't have anywhere else to go. They're looking for someone like you. And they go to these marketplaces to find people who are like certified AI business strategists, just to be able to plug and play some of these templates and tools. they don't have time to go dive in. They want someone like you to just get out there. And they're not looking for fancy PhDs. They're not looking for doctors or rocket scientists or surgeons. They just want someone who can fix a problem this week. That's it. Hey, we're not responding to our customer service emails. Do you think someone could automate that for us? Boom, you got something. And the truth is, most businesses don't even care about your resume. They don't care about your report card or your grades or anything. They only care, can you fix their pain points? Because even a simple automation can be enough to win your very first client. And if you had a certification, that just makes you stand out in front of everyone else. Because remember, again, sounds silly, but updating a spreadsheet automatically can save many hours per week. That's more valuable than some fancy AI demo, robot, software, whatever it is. You don't have to wonder if someone is going to hire you. The clients are already there. They're waiting for someone to raise their hand and just say, yes, I can do that. So listen, I'm going to turn it back over to Bashar. I'm excited to work with you on this AI Business Strategist certification, and I can't wait to see you on the other side.
Now, if you found what Steven just shared with you valuable and you think that AI is the way for you to make money in 2025 and beyond, we have found ourselves at a crossroads right now. And the reason being is because there are really only two ways that you can move forward from here. The first way is that you do it alone. This is stressful. There's no guarantee of results. It is painful, expensive, and long. And I know this from personal experience because the very first 7 businesses that I launched were actually done by myself, and I lost hundreds of thousands of dollars, but years of my life that I can never get back again. Or the second option, which is together. You leverage myself and Steven's combined experience of over 23 years, plus 12 businesses founded and launched and scaled and even sold by the two of us, not to mention the experience of our team. This is where you get support and accountability by us and our team. This is the most affordable, fastest, and fun. And in fact, one of our core values at BJK University is fun. And this is why today I'd like to introduce to you for the very first time our AI Business Strategist Certification Program. You see, over the next 30 days, we will actually help you build momentum, generate leads, and figure out exactly which business to leverage in service. That will happen during week 1. Week 2, build your first AI agents and teach you how to build automations. Week 3, land your first paying client and start making money. And week 4, deliver services and get certified. And once you are certified, you can rinse and repeat this, get to more businesses, and even start charging a lot more. Now, here's the question that I have for you is, do you feel like AI is holding you back? Do you feel like AI could potentially replace you? Do you feel like you are being threatened by AI, that you cannot really get to where you want to go because other businesses and other people seem to be leveraging AI and that they are ahead of the curve? Do you feel like in the past you have let opportunities pass you by and you don't want to do this today? Do you feel like by leveraging AI, you can actually build life on your own terms? Do you feel like by becoming a AI business strategist, you actually can build life on your own terms, you can build finances on your own terms, and you can make 2025 your best year yet? If that's so, then let's talk. You see, over the next 4 days, we have reserved spots on my team's calendar where they will diagnose your current situation, see if being a certified AI business strategist is a fit for you. They will map out an action plan to accomplish your goals. And our promise is that this will be the most valuable time that you invest in your future this year. And here's the thing. These calls are only available until Sunday, November 2nd, 11:59 p.m. EST. Why? Because we are launching this program right now. And we would like to only focus on working with a limited amount of people over the next 90 days so that way we can get them the best results possible. So if you are a 9-to-5er who wants to add a second income stream or fully transition out of your current career, if you're a marketer who's realized that because of AI, the services you used to charge thousands of dollars for are no longer valuable, or if you are a business owner who wants to implement AI to grow and scale your business so that way you can beat the competition, then you should click the link below and schedule a call with our team. And here's the thing, when you book your call today, only really 2 things are going to happen. Number 1, worst case scenario. You will love the call, thank the coach for their time, and go off on your own. If that's the case, no worries. Just keep in touch with us so that we can keep us updated about your progress. And even if that does happen, and if you feel like someone you know is a better fit for this opportunity, connect us. And when you do, there will be a nice cash prize waiting for you at the end. Now, that's the worst case scenario. Best case, you join our certification program, and when you do, our entire team will be dedicated to ensuring that you succeed. Why? Very simple. Because when we help you get to between $25,000 to $50,000 per month, we will actually make you a proposal to become partners with you in your business. That's why we are invested in helping you succeed. So there is really no downside for you. There is only upside. So listen, if you found this valuable, if you are ready to make 2025 your best year yet, if you don't want to let an opportunity pass you by, if you understand the power of AI and you realize that we are at a pivotal moment in our history, that you want to make history, be part of history, and be ahead of the curve, then go ahead and click the link below, schedule your call, and let's make 2025 your best year yet.
Something about Bashar's kept resonating with me. It's like if he was talking to me, he was a real guy, had a real story.
BJK kind of laid the groundwork for what's really possible, and more of it was an already pre-established groove on how to do this.
BJK isn't just a platform where they, provide access to all the information that we need. There is a communion relationship within the student and the coaches.
There's no way we would be successful without the coaches and the other students moving us along in this program. I wanted to join as soon as I saw it. Learned so much more about other products and experts that are out there that I didn't know that was there.
Just the amount of knowledge you get and networking. I mean, you're talking to people who are doing the same thing as you, who's trying to grow. I mean, you're bouncing ideas off everybody. What else? It's just epic.
I would say it's a great opportunity for learning. You get so much value that you cannot find on internet or YouTube or anything. You get to connect with the real people who do what you're trying to accomplish and learn from them.
I love that BJKU focuses on the criteria, BJKU system that actually works.
I think this is the best decision I've ever made, joining the BJK University.
What BJK University taught me is it's a set of skills, it's a mindset. I could never explain how grateful I am for Bashar and the team here at BJK University.
I completely recommend BJKU. Give them a shot. They are very good, they are very professional, they care. Coaches are amazing. Community is amazing. If you have any problems, everybody is there to help you.
I'm incredibly thankful for all the knowledge that I gained because of you guys.
The fact that Bashar created this thing and he's helping me out to succeed, that's what BJK is about.
The only regret I do have is not starting BJKU earlier.